Today's assembly. We got a lot of little bikes out today. All right, let's see what we have on the bike rack. All right, so that's 3, 4. Last time I was here, there were like 20 bikes off the rack. Looks like we gotta either order. Definitely need to order what's missing. These are selling, obviously. We want to keep up what's good. So these are not selling too well. These are selling like hotcakes, in my opinion. These are kids, 16 and 18s. Let's see what they have in inventory. See if I can match what needs to be replaced. 20s and 18s are looking good. Toddlers so far. How are we doing on the adult bikes? Look about the same. All right, so these are Mountain Creek mountain bikes. Two bikes on top. No specific selection. Toddlers and adults. Kids 20s seems to be okay. I think we just did a 30 bike built for this location. Just a quick reference on what I am going to be expecting today. So, quick survey. Kids 20s, 16s, and 18s, and adult multi-speed. Let's see what we have in inventory. All right, well, we're looking pretty good. Bikes stock from the last build. Did 30 bikes. Multiple same bikes though. Majorities are the same bikes. Adults, 24, 26. We got a good selection. I would say probably out of the 20 bikes that are not on the shelf for adults, we probably can put maybe 5 and build 10. And so, looking pretty good. All right, so we got kids. So we got some mountain bikes, some cruisers, some 20s. What I'm looking for are the easy 20s and 16s right here. And then we got duplicates on the floor. I'm going to read the item numbers in order to know what's actually on the floor and what's actually on the shelf. And then we have barbecues. Spring supply, getting ready for summer. So we're well stocked on barbecues. I think that's probably what we're going to focus on today is barbecues, grills. Ample amount of products for grills and grill selections. So let's see what we got building today and what needs to be built today. We're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. If anything we can do, we got plenty of Blackstone griddles. We can do maybe 2 more of these. We can do maybe 4 more of 3 burners. Expert grill. Perhaps 2 more of these. Expert grill. And maybe 6 more of these. Getting ready for the month of April, perhaps. April and May. You know, this is early, coming out of the later parts of the winter. Let's go find a coach and see what they need assembled.